And the transformer is out. And the new transformer is in. Perfect. Z screws are perfect again. We must perform Z surgery on the furnace. Yeah, buddy. And what's also good is when you get parts that you don't have to put self-tapper screws in. The holes are right there for the easy installation. Now, what we have to do here is determine the black and the white. There. Ba-ba-da-boom, ba-da-da-bang. And the 24 volts shall be green and red over here. Ba-da-da-boom, ba-da-da-bang. Yep. All right. We got to put leads on the Z's. We got to put leads on these. And of course, my leads are in the truck. Of course. Unless we can, yes, yeah. Sometimes you have parts. This is why you always grab wires from other places, because you never know when you're gonna need them again. With leads, bada boom, bada bing. Yep. And we will cut the wire. We cut the wires out. Yes, we do. We need the black. And then we go bada boom, bada bing. Alright. So what we really can do is just cut these for a real long extension. Because we're going to use these wires for jumper wires one day when you have to jump something off. So what we're going to do is we're going to save that wire like that. We cut like that. And then we should do a little stripping. We do a little stripping. This is the only time that I strip. This is the only time that I strip, actually, you know. No pun intended. See what I'm saying, baby? So when I tell you that I'm stripping at the job, you know what I'm doing, baby. When I tell you that I'm stripping at the job, you know what I'm doing. And I'm doing a good job at what I'm doing. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, sir. And then we connect those two wires with voila. 2 wire nuts. Do they call these wire nuts? Because they're so screwy. Do they call these wire nuts? Because they so screwy. Alright. And then we click 0. Like that. I like that. And I like that. We put 0. Do a little stripping again. And again, and again. But see, this the good stripping. You dig? And we put this, boys and girls. Back into Z transformer on the neutral base. And then what's this? And that. Good. And 2. There. Bada boom, bada bing. Bada boom, bada bing. And bada boom, bada bing. Bada boom. Bada bing. As you can see, Z wires will have to be used.